#LickHunter Cockpit. This is the LickHunter Cockpit, my central analysis tool for the futures market. Not a standard dashboard with colorful lines, but a data-driven early warning system that processes liquidations, order flow, and on-chain signals in real time. And the best part? I share my analysis for free in my Telegram group. The link is in the description. Let me now show you everything that is packed inside. First tab, Custom, the main analysis. The Custom tab is the heart of the system. At the top left, you see the coin selector, and on the right, the three trading bots, Pure, Algo, and Pro, with their live status, open trades, profit and loss, and health. The checkbox system, 21 indicators, 3 categories. The dashboard works with a checkbox system. You choose yourself which indicators feed into your analysis. There are 3 categories. The first category is the base indicators, 12 in total. Top trader positioning, the 4-hour trend, RSI across 3 time frames, the 1-hour trend, the funding rate, the asymmetry ratio, open interest, OI delta, MACD, and EMA 200, all live from Binance Futures. The second category is the engine indicators, 5 in total. These are the signals from the liquidation engine. Absorption detects whale accumulation. Squeeze measures the pressure. Velocity shows the liquidation speed in dollars per minute. Magnet shows where the price is being pulled by liquidation clusters. Rounding detects bottom and top formations. The third category is the swing trading metrics, 4 in total. The OI trend over 7 days, the 24-hour volume filter, the order book imbalance, and the mark price premium. These are relevant for holding periods of 1 to 7 days. Every indicator shows live values directly. Click the arrow to expand a detailed description, including analogies like, imagine you are a poker player. The custom score, your personal verdict from the active indicators. The dashboard calculates a custom score. Each indicator adds positive or negative points depending on whether it signals long or short. The result appears as a color-coded verdict bar. Green stands for long, red stands for short, and yellow stands for wait. Below that you find the arguments, long reasons on the left, short reasons on the right. And at the very bottom there is a conflict check with the engine. If you see long but the engine signals short, you receive a yellow warning. If both systems say the same thing, a green confirmation signal appears. The alert banner, the cascade warning at the very top above the checkboxes, sits the alert banner. It checks every 30 seconds whether there is a liquidation cluster dangerously close to the current price. If yes, red alarm with a cascade warning. Yellow stands for moderate danger. This is the early warning stage before anything has even happened. The BTC guard bar. The BTC guard bar shows the market state of Bitcoin, the tempo setter for all altcoins. RSI across 3 time frames, EMA trends, and the top trader percentage. Color-coded, red for extreme overheat, orange for overheat, green for strong or oversold, gray for neutral. If Bitcoin is overheated, you do not trade altcoin longs. This bar tells you that at a single glance. The multi-timeframe RSI, 5 timeframes simultaneously. The RSI section shows all 5 timeframes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and 1 day, as colored bars. Red means overbought, orange means strong, green means neutral, yellow means weak, and the second red means oversold. There's also a summary such as, bullish, 3 out of 5 timeframes rising, or caution, 4 hours overheated. The mini heat map, liquidation levels. Next to it sits the mini heat map. This is a grid-based view of all liquidation levels, 12 levels above the price and 12 levels below. Each bar shows the price level, the percentage distance from the current price, and the volume in millions of dollars. Red bars represent long liquidations. If the price falls below this level, a crash threatens. Green bars represent short liquidations. If the price rises above this level, a short squeeze threatens. In the center, you see the current price, the open interest in millions, and the 4-hour trend. The Outlook panel, multi-timeframe forecast. The Outlook panel provides data-based price projections across 3 time windows, 1 hour, 4 hours, and 1 day. The foundation is the average true range, combined with Fibonacci levels and the current trend direction. No artificial intelligence guesswork, pure mathematics from the clients. The swing panel. The swing panel shows the medium-term metrics. The OI trend over 7 days, the 24-hour ticker with volume ratio, the order book imbalance, the mark price premium, and the funding rate. The technicals panel. The technicals panel delivers classic indicators calculated in context. MACD with histogram and crossover detection, EMA 200 with percentage distance, Price 14% above EMA 200 means trend intact. Price 3% below EMA 200 means trend broken. Bollinger Bands with width and position, and stochastic RSI. The Fibonacci panel. The Fibonacci panel shows the auto mode calculates the high and low automatically from weekly candles. You can also set the high and low manually. The current price is displayed as a line, so you can see exactly where you stand between 0 and 1. The rounding candlestick charts. When the rounding indicator is activated, 4 candlestick charts appear: 1 hour, 4 hours, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. Each chart shows the rounding patterns as colored overlay markers. Green dots stand for bottom formations and red dots stand for top formations. These are U-shaped patterns with entry and exit points. Second tab, levels, the liquidation analysis. The second tab is called levels. This tab is exclusively about liquidations and resistances. No indicators, no RSI, just one question: where is the danger? The structure panel. The stall score. The structure panel detects creeping weakness. When the price has not made new highs for hours, even though RSI and trend still look normal. The stall score ranges from 0 to 100. Green means healthy, yellow means slight weakness, orange means moderate stall, and red means heavy stall. Below it, there is a direct comparison between Doge and Bitcoin over 24 hours, 72 hours, and 7. If Doge is underperforming Bitcoin, that is a warning signal. The resistance rejection panel. The resistance rejection panel shows how many times the price has bounced off a resistance level in the past few hours. One event per rejection, duration, count, and trend, plus a bar chart showing how many rejections occurred in the last few hours. The danger zones panel. The danger map. The danger map is the most important panel on this tab. Unlike the heat map in the custom tab, which shows a fixed grid, the danger map works with real liquidation events from the Binance WebSocket. Above are the short liquidations. These are resistances that can trigger a short squeeze. Below are the long liquidations. These are crash zones where a cascade can drag the price downward. Each level shows the volume in dollars and the percentage distance. If there is a level on both sides within 3%, the panel reports. Warning levels: high at under 0.5% distance, medium at under 1%. Third tab, early detection. The Bitget scanner. The third tab is the Bitget altcoin anomaly scanner. It scans more than 100 UST futures pairs on Bitget, looking for abnormal volume. The logic is simple. If a coin suddenly has 3 times its normal hourly volume, something is happening: a pump, a dump, or an accumulation. The signals are explosion, pump, dump. Additionally, it shows the price change, the 24-hour volume, and the range in percent. This is the early warning system for altcoins before they appear on Binance or reach the mainstream. Technical background. Technically, the dashboard runs on a dedicated server. There are 2 instances, Pro on port 3001 and Free on port 3002. It is protected by Ghost member login through Nginx cookie check and Next.js middleware. The data comes from 3 sources. First is the central collector. It pulls Binance data for 20 pairs every 5 minutes and saves it as JSON. No API calls from the browser, and the response time is under 1/10 of a second. Second is the liquidation WebSocket. It collects real force order events from Binance in real time and stores them in a SQLite database. Third is the analysis engine. It runs every few hours and calculates absorption, squeeze, velocity, magnet, and rounding from the collected data. 13 languages are integrated, from German to Arabic to Urdu. Not Google Translate, but manually translated with real context for trading terminology. Closing that is the Liquidation Cockpit. Not a toy dashboard, but a production tool that supports real trading decisions every single day. If you want to follow my live analysis, join my free Telegram group. The link is in the description. No paid tiers, no upselling, completely free. What questions do you have? Write them in the comments. Liquidation Cockpit, free analysis and signals. Join my free Telegram group. https://t.me/plus@Q1EIGXBKZJQ0 live market analysis, liquidation alerts, and altcoin early